Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, the Digital Institute of Computing Technology. In this presentation, we will have discussion on the topic Input-Output Functions in C. C standard library supports input-output functions to receive data from an input device and display data to an output device. Let's see the usage of these functions in a C program. Printf prints the formatted output to the standard output device. Scanf reads the formatted input from the standard input device. Let's see an example. In this example, num has been declared as an integer variable. The program prompts the user to enter a number using the output function printf. Then it receives a number using the input function scanf and displays on the output device. Both the printf and scanf use %d, format specifier for an integer, and additionally, you can observe in case of scanf, ampersand precedes n because scanf needs the address of the number to store the received number there in the memory location associated with num. The output of this program is enter a number. Say you enter 50, you entered 50. Next, get C. It reads a character from a standard input device. Let's see an example. ch is a variable of type char. Program prompts the user to enter a character using the output function printf, receives a character using the input function getC, and displays on the output device. Here the getC function receives stdin, the standard input for receiving input from the user. The output of this program is enter a character, B is entered, you entered B is the output. Put C. Writes a character to the standard output device. Example, ch has been declared as a character and has been initialized with a value a. Program displays on the output device using the output function putC. Here the putC function receives two arguments, the character to be displayed and stdout, used to specify that use the standard output for displaying the data. The output of this program is A. GetChar reads a character from standard input device. Example, ch has been declared as a character. Program prompts the user to enter a character using the output function printf, receives a character using input function getChar, and displays on the output device. The output of this program is enter a character. Say you entered C, you entered C. PutChar writes a character to the standard output device. Example, let's assume we have the character ch declared as a character and has been initialized to a. Program displays on the output device using output function putChar. Here the putChar function receives one argument, the character to be displayed. The output of this program is A. GetS reads a string from standard input device. Example, str has been declared as an array of characters. Program prompts the user to enter a string using output function printf, receives a string using input function getS, and displays on the output device. Here the getS function receives one argument, the character array name where the received string must be stored. The output of this program is enter a string hello, you entered hello. PutS writes a string to the standard output device. Example, str has been declared as an array of characters and has has been initialized to hello world. Program displays on the output device using output function puts. Here the puts function receives one argument, the character name that contains the string to be displayed. The output of this program is hello world with an exclamation. fgets reads a string from a file or a standard input device. str has been declared as an array of character. Program prompts the user to enter a string using the output function printf, receives a string using input function fgets, and displays on the output device. Here the fgets function receives three arguments: the character name, character array name, where the received string must be stored, the size of the string, and the standard in. The output of this program is enter a string India, you entered India. fputs writes a string to a file or standard output device. Here the fputs function receives an argument, the character array name that contains the string to be displayed along with the standard output device. The output of this program is hello world with an exclamation. Here the fputs function receives two arguments, the character array name that contains the string to be displayed and stdout. The output of this program is hello world with an exclamation. A format specifier is a sequence of characters that defines the type of the data being formatted or printed. Typically used with functions like printf, scanf, sprintf, etc. A format specifier starts with a %character followed by a specific character or a set of characters that indicates the type of the data. Let's see the table. %f, it is used for floating point number. %c for character. %s is used for string. %x for hexadecimal integer. %o for octal integer. %e for scientific notation. %% to print a % sign. %p to display a pointer address. %ld for long integer. %lf for double precision floating point numbers, and %u for an unsigned integer. So let's consider some examples. In this example, the variable num has been assigned an integer value 10. The output of this program is number 10. In this example, the variable num has been assigned a value 5.25, a float value. The output of this program is number equal to 5.25. We can observe here %f has been used to display a float. Next, ch has been defined as a character and initialized to a value a. To display, we are using %c. So the output of the program is character a. Next, str has been defined as an array of characters and has been initialized to a value hello. The output of this program is string hello. %s has been used as a format specifier here to display the string. Num has been assigned a value 255. Here we are trying to display the value, an integer value 255 in hexadecimal. The output will be ff. To display the hexadecimal number, we are using %x. Next, once again num is assigned a value 255. When we try to display the number 255 in octal using %o, the output is octal 377. Next, variable num has been declared as a float. Its value is 12345.6789. %e has been used to display the number in scientific notation form. The output is scientific 1.234568 e to the power 04. The output of this program is percent. So you have to use a percent to display a percent. Next. In this program, num has been initialized with a value 10. Here, we are trying to display the address of the variable num rather than its value. So we are using ampersand num. So the output of the program is pointer followed by the address of num. Next. Variable num has been declared as a long and initialized to value 123 crore 56 lakhs. Variable num has been declared as a long and has been initialized to value 123 crore 45 lakhs 67,890. And we are using %ld to display long. Next, num has been declared as a double with value 5.25 and we are using %lf. Here num has been declared as an unsigned integer and we are using %u to display it. Hope you liked and enjoyed the presentation. Remain connected with us by subscribing to this channel for latest updates on this channel. Thank you.